Picture this. You're a self-proclaimed eat everything in sight type of person, but lately you've been hearing about something called juice fasting. It's got you curious. You've heard of the potential health benefits: detoxification, weight loss, clearer skin, feeling better, just to name a few. But you're also a little on the lazy side and you love to eat. You're wondering, can I really enjoy these benefits without giving up my favorite? Well, my friend, that's exactly the question we're going to answer today. In this video, we will explain the different types of juice fasting diets and what you can actually eat during each one. Strap in and let's go on this juicy journey. Now, before we dive in, let's take a moment to pause and prepare ourselves for the wealth of information that's about to come our way. Ready? Let's get juicing. Hi, I'm Lady J and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk just a little about the fascinating world of juice fasting. It's a topic that's been gaining traction, with many people turning to this method for its many health benefits. From detoxification to weight loss, juice fasting can offer a unique approach to wellness. But it's not a one-size-fits-all. Remember, what you can eat depends on the type of juice fast you're on. So let's dive in. Now hold on to your juicers because we're about to squeeze out all the juicy details. Picture this. You're going about your day, but instead of one of your usual meals, you replace it with a juice. That's the one juice a day fast. Intrigued? Essentially, this is a juice fast where one regular meal is replaced by a nutritious juice. The beauty of this fast is in its flexibility. You decide which meal to swap out. It could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Some might start their day with a fresh juice. Others may prefer it for lunch or dinner. The principle is simple. Besides the juice, continue with your normal diet. That means no dietary changes. Your favorite foods are still on the menu. The only catch? One meal will be a healthy juice. This practice gives you the liberty to keep a balanced diet while gaining the benefits of juicing. The juice, loaded with fruits and vegetables, provides essential vitamins and minerals, nourishing your body, boosting energy, and improving overall wellness. New to juicing? The one juice a day. Fast is a great way to begin. It's a gentle introduction, letting experience juicing benefits without going too long and no solid food. So if you're exploring, this is easy, flexible, and still lets you have your favorite foods. The one juice a day fast could be your match. So with the one juice a day, you can still have your cake and eat it too, just with a side of juice. Now let's dive into some delicious juice recipes which you can easily make at home with some common fruits and vegetables. Now before we dive into the all juice fast, let's take a moment to engage with each other. I'm curious, have you ever tried juice fasting? If so, what was your experience like? Did you it challenging, or was it a breeze for you? And if you're a seasoned juice faster, we'd love to hear your favorite juice recipes or tips for successful fasting. Maybe you've discovered a delicious combination of fruits and vegetables that tastes like sunshine in a glass. Or perhaps you have a secret trick to not getting hungry or having hunger pangs. Whatever it is, feel free to share your wisdom in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. It could help others who are just getting started. I'm excited to read your responses, learn from your experiences. Now, let's continue our juicy journey. Explore the all juice fast. Right after this short break, stay tuned. Now, imagine a more disciplined approach. Your meals, from the time you wake up until you go back to bed, are pure, freshly pressed juices. Welcome to the all juice fast. This juice fasting method is not for the timid. Here you're on a mission to nourish your body, solely with vital nutrients from Mother Nature's raw, whole food. But it's not just green juices. The all juice fast celebrates rich colors, flavors, and health benefits. Start your day with an orange sunrise, a mix of carrots, oranges, and ginger. By midday, enjoy a green blend of spinach, cucumber, and celery, enlivened by lemon and green apple. Evening brings a soothing lavender twilight, a blend of berries with a hint of lavender. Each juice offers a unique set of nutrients. Carrots deliver beta-carotene, a very powerful antioxidant. Spinach provides iron and calcium. Blueberries are rich in vitamin C and fiber. Every glass is nutrient-rich to cleanse, rejuvenate, and replenish. But the all-juice fast demands discipline. The temptation of solid foods, the crunchy sound of biting into an apple, and the smooth texture of a creamy avocado can have you thinking about eating solid food. Yet, the magic lies in its purity, in letting your body detoxify and heal. Ultimately, you might feel more vibrant and lighter. Your skin might radiate, Your eyes may start to look brighter. You might find a newfound love for the raw beauty of fruits and vegetables. The all-juice fast is a journey of discipline, but the rewards can be not only worth it, but limitless. And as we turn a new leaf, let's delve deeper into how the all-juice fast can be your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned. There's a sunset on the horizon, and with it comes the promise of a meal. But until then, it's all juice. Welcome to Juice Till Dinner Fast. This regimen strikes a balance between a full juice fast and a more lenient one juice a day fast. Your day starts with a refreshing glass of juice, another for lunch, and perhaps a few more to keep hunger at bay. Your juices will be nutrient-dense, vitamin-packed, fresh-pressed, and packed with the goodness your body needs. But when the evening arrives, the Juice Till Dinner fast permits some just a little bit more liberty. You're not limited to only a complete nutritious meal is on the table. So what's for dinner? That's the best part. You're urged to eat a meal rich in plant-based proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Picturize a plate full of quinoa, grilled veggies, and a filling bean stew, or a Buddha bowl loaded with vibrant veggies, hummus, and a sprinkle of seeds. Remember, dinner should be wholesome, not an excuse to binge on junk. The goal is to complement the juices with nourishing, real food. The Juice Till Dinner fast is a great introduction to juice fasting. It's not as strict as an all-juice fast, but offers a deeper experience than a one juice a day fast. It's a middle ground that you enjoy the perks of juicing without fully forsaking solid food. So, when the sun sets, the Juice Till Dinner fast allows you to enjoy a meal while still reaping the benefits of juicing. And now, as we transition into the next part of our journey, let's delve deeper into the importance of selecting the right ingredients for your juices and meals. Before we wrap up, I have a question for you. Which type of juice fast appeals to you the most? The one juice a day fast, supplementing meals with juice? The all juice fast, entirely by liquid nutrients? Or the Juice Till Dinner with juice until a final meal? Each method is unique, and I'd love to know your pick. Share your experiences and why you chose your method. Your insights guide others on their journey. So drop your thoughts and favorite juice in the comments section below. Your experiences can help others in their juice fasting journey. Now let's summarize what we've learned. As we transition to the end, remember that no matter the method used, the key lies in consistency and dedication. So there you have it, the different types of juice fasts and what you can eat during each. We explored the one juice a day fast, where a nutritious juice supplements meals, the all juice fast, where only fresh juice is consumed, and the Juice Till Dinner fast, where juice fuels the day until dinner. Each method has its unique benefits. The type of fast dictates what you can eat. It could be a single juice or an entire day of liquid nutrients. But it's not just about juice. It's about understanding your body's needs and finding balance. Juice fasting is a detoxification tool, but should complement a balanced diet and lifestyle. So, now you have the knowledge and the understanding of what you can eat while juice fasting on your particular journey. Thank you for joining me on this juicy journey. Until next time, I'm Lady J, signing off. To your health, guys, to your health. Your choices control your reality, so make the best possible choice. And remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey, so keep juicing, stay healthy, and see you in the next episode.